Hey guys, what's going on? This is Christine with Off Leash Canine Training, Southwest Florida. I'm here with new board and train member Diggs. Diggs is a lab golden retriever. He does have some aggression issues and reactivity with other dogs. Very sweet with people. He does like to jump and pull, but super sweet unless dogs are around. So we're going to be working on that. We're going to see what Diggs knows day and drop off. He is a little bit less confident now that mom and dad aren't around. So he knows. Diggs, can you place? Can you don't place? Oh, what a good boy! Good sit! Good job, buddy! You know, down? Almost! Oh my goodness! Oh, so close down! Oh my goodness! That's good boy! Can you feel? Good job! He's been pretty attached to me, so I'm not sure what his recall looks like right now. Check back in 3 weeks and check on Diggs' progress.